Pomp continues his push for pension fund Bitcoin allocation. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Amelia David at Cointelegraph and brought to you by the BitBlock Bitcoin Conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas in August. As pension funds struggle with their funding, Morgan Creek Digital co-founder Anthony Pompliano continues to press them into adding more Bitcoin into their portfolios. In a letter to investors, Pompliano said pensions like the California Public Employees Retirement System will do well to invest in Bitcoin instead of increasing their allocation of illiquid assets. Pompliano said it's as clear as possible that adding an allocation of Bitcoin would increase the risk-adjusted returns for a public pension fund. He suggests public funds allocate between 1% to 5% of their portfolios into Bitcoin and added. You want to know where the greatest innovation is occurring at the moment? Bitcoin. There's a group of individuals who have built a $150 billion plus asset with the goal of assuming the position as the next global reserve currency. Now, if that happens, it will be the best performing asset for the next 20 plus years. But even if that doesn't happen, things will be okay. Morgan Creek has long pushed for more pension funds to take at least 1% allocation in Bitcoin. CEO Mark Yuski said in January that if foundations had a 1% allocation 5 years ago, they would have made 9.2% in alpha. So far, there are 2 pension funds from Virginia that invested in Morgan Creek, but Morgan Creek is not the only industry player seeing the potential for Bitcoin's growth within the pension world. Will you ever see large pension funds investing in Bitcoin? Will we? And if that day comes, what will that do to the price of Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always. This episode, well, it's brought to you by BitBlock Boom. That's the great Bitcoin conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas in August. And I say Bitcoin conference because Bitcoin, well, that's all we talk about at BitBlock Boom. We don't talk about altcoins. We don't talk about crypto. We just talk about Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, take a look at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at BitBlock Boom in Dallas. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a bitblockboom.com production.